What is going on, everybody? This is Beast there. Welcome back to Resident Evil Biohazard. Now, so as you guys might know, in the last episode, I don't know if we even got that far. We went up against a huge, crazy amount of these creature people, and so I just realized that I don't have to go into whatever room it is where all of them are. There is literally, oh yeah, I found out this room, by the way. There's literally a scorpion door right outside from where our save room is. I had no idea until I just walked right past. So yeah, I am, however, I'm going back here because there's like a few ammo and stuff I'm gonna grab quickly. Then I'm gonna move on. Alright, so down here, I might as well take the shotgun shells. Oh shoot, hold on. This combined with an herb. There. And take those. So yeah, there are more bullets somewhere, but I don't feel like grabbing them right now. Oh, we're back here. What? Alright. We can't get the shotgun yet. What are we supposed to do then? Oh shoot.
Which in a word means aha!
Oh, right here. This.
I'm gonna gut you like a fish.
Run, run. I saved right when he was there. I'm an idiot. Wait, can he not get in?
Where in the hell you think you're going to, son?
Is he gonna be right outside this door? Oh, that's... Oh, okay, so that means save. Hold on.
Here I come.
Oh, shoot. Let me head back to where I was.
I don't know what she sees in him. Stay right there.
Run, not the right door. Wait. Oh, I'm an idiot. Why did I do that?
I got the gift running all through me. All through me.
Oh god. Don't even think I needed that.
I'm an old man, son. You can't take on
Oh, right
an
here.
old man. I'm on to you.
Hurry up. In.
Don't move.
Oh my god, move. Alright, that door's open now, so I just have to get away from him.
Say, once family, always family.
Can I go through here again? I think in there, that's where the model shotgun is, so I can go grab the real one. Close this. What the heck's in here? Oh. Ew. Oh! There it is. Okay, what can I get rid of? Thank you. There we go. Now I can go and get these guys downstairs. Don't know what I need though. But I think if I go down there and kill them and stuff, I might be able to. How do I open this? I need like a pick or something. Oh, I went the wrong way. Now I could go and kill these guys down here. It's locked from the other side. Of course. So if I kill these guys, then I can probably finally look around and see what I'm supposed to do. I again don't know what I'm supposed to do. I need like a key for this one. Maybe there's stuff in the room. There we go. Where's the other one? that all of them? I think that was all of them. Well, alright, now let's look in here. Match it. I killed all those guys in there. Oh, maybe I have to... Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a puzzle. Dead? Dissection room key. That must be over here. So I could have gotten that the whole time. Alright. Well, I still got the shotgun at least. There's the cop over there.
I was gonna be your father. Now she says he will be her father. No. I will find him, and I will make him suffer. And you, my friend, will help me.
So there's another dog head somewhere that we need. I don't know where it is. We'll have to find it later. I already got one of them. There's another one somewhere. I think we go to a boss battle soon. Poor deputy, yep. There's the dog head, but what's down here first? Alright, that's just another room. Gunpowder, alright. Oh, hold on, I have no idea where the first dog head is. I already got the one of them, but there's like another one. I don't have enough space. Shoot. Damn it. Alright, I'm gonna have to discard this one, just this one now.
That gun is not gonna work the way you think it will. I like you for what's on the inside. You know.
I don't have any other of these. What the heck? Crap.
Gotta start moving. That's the ticket.
Oh, I got him. I got him. I have no more health through that. And I died. Damn it.
You look worried, boy. You gonna die! What's the matter? Your head is.
Did I get him? Down. Oh god. That was... Oh, there goes that. I health that now. Can I use this? No, I can only combine it. So he's gone. I think. So now I gotta go find the other dog head. Oh, there it is. Wait. Gunpowder, okay. So we got that now. Now we can head back. See what's behind door number 2. Yeah, I don't think I can jump in this game. All right then. There's a broken handgun. Wait. Why? I can combine this with stuff? No. Alright, so this is where our coins get in. So 3 for that. Stabilizer or oh, that's another gun. Wait, how much do I have? I have 5. Oh, make that 6. Is there any others on here? Okay, actually normal. Actually normal stuff in the fridge. So these are steroids, increases maxed health indefinitely. Reloading speed, and what is this? A lot of stopping power, okay. I don't have a tape with me. That's reloading speed. This is... we'll do max health, I guess. Kinda need these right now, so I might as well use them. Okay.
You made it. You're the first I've ever seen make it this far.
So what is it you need me to do? Is it gonna help me get out of here?
Yes. Now listen carefully, Ethan. My family and our bodies are contaminated. I can't leave the property unless I get it out. And the same goes for Mia.
Is there a way to get it out?
We need the serum. It should clear whatever this stuff is out of the body. As long as you're not too far gone.
All right. So where is it?
If I knew where one was, I'd already be long gone. But I have a feeling my mother has hidden some inside the old house somewhere.
So if we get this thing, I can help Mia and we can get out of here?
Right. And so can I. The old house is near the water. You can't miss it.
All right.
I just hope you can handle my mother.
Your mother?
Be careful. They'll be looking for you.
Well, alright, so I might as well end it here, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I don't know, so yeah, we need to go to the next house over there. Hold on, what does this next house look like? We might as well just see. So, they have two houses. Like this house wasn't big enough. They have another one. Probably just as big. But anyways, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. I guess I'll see you guys later. Nothing much else to really say. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you all later. Bye, guys.